to sing the song to Kelly, but you all know that, so I'm not going to. Well, I go back to John Molden, who gave a talk, very interesting talk, and he also showed a slide of a prison camp in Australia. And I think myself, it's Norfolk Island was an infamous camp there. And this song is about a man who came from very near here, Derry, and he took part in an uprising in Norfolk Island in 1834. Can't think of the name of it now. In Derry City Court, 1831, a 19-year-old boy's arranged the charge he stole a gun. Dominick McCoy was proven guilty by the court, and the judge pronounced that he should be transported. He said, "You'll know no joy, Mr. Dominick McCoy. The system has you beaten, you've been marked down as a failure. You'll be sent away with chains around your ankles, down to the hell they call Australia." Norfolk Island was declared a place of no return. Convicts were made slaves in chains, no pardon could they earn. A flogging with the cat was the order of the day, and Morissette was the lash commander. A man could get 300 lashes just for being slow. Show me that man's backbone, old flogger firings would go. So was it any wonder the convicts planned to rise and to murder Morissette and flogger Fyans? For he knew no joy, young Dominick McCoy. The system had him beaten, he'd been marked down as a failure. He was sent away with chains around his ankles, down to the hell they call Australia. In the Norfolk Island mutiny of 1834, at daybreak all the convents rushed, McCoy was to the fore. Such was their desperation to win their liberty. They fought with sticks against the soldiers' muskets. Of course it was a failure, not a single guard was killed. But it did relieve their boredom, the soldiers were all thrilled. They brought McCoy to Flagstaff Hill and rushed him for the fun. Straight through his body went their sharp bayonets, for he knew no joy, young Dominick McCoy. The system had him beaten, he'd been marked down as a failure. He was sent away with chains around his ankles, down to the hell they call Australia. Oh, he slumped upon the cobblestones, blood gushing where he lay, left for 3 days.
So many things that made him special to me.
Oops.
In an unmarked grave, no one to mourn his loss, except his family keening back in Derry. In the absence of a tombstone to the memory of this boy, this song of mine is directed for Dominick McCoy, transported to Australia for the stealing of a gun, and cut to shreds by guards in Norfolk Island. For he knew no joy, young Dominick McCoy. The system had him beaten, he'd been marked down as a failure. He was sent away with chains around his ankles, down to the hell they call Australia.